Good morning, 早上好。Today we are going to learn five Chinese negative sentence patterns. Do you know how to say no in Chinese? 不, 没, right? And something else. Today we are going to learn five basic negative Chinese sentence patterns. The most basic one is 不, right? If you put 不 before the verb, it means not. I don't or I'm not. Both of them, it's 不 plus the verb. For example, I'm not a teacher. You can say 我不是老师。我不是老师。I 不是 I'm not. 老师 teacher. I'm not a teacher. 我不是老师。So simply put 不 before the verb means not. Okay, do not or be plus the not is the same in Chinese. Okay. And so 不 basically is just for the present tense. If you want to say did not or was not, you should say 没. For example, I didn't have my breakfast. You can say 我没吃早饭。我没吃早饭。我 means I. 没 didn't. 吃 eat. 没吃 I did not eat. 早饭 breakfast. Okay, so I didn't have my breakfast. It's 我没吃早饭。Simply put 没 before the verb. It means did not do something. Okay, or was not, or were not. Okay. And then in Chinese, there's a very special negative pattern that is double negative. What is double negative? 不 means not. 不 means not. But sometimes they will show in one sentence at the same time. For example, 我不是不知道。我不是不知道。What does it mean? If you say 我不知道 means I don't know, but here is 我不是不知道. Well, double 不 means yes. Double negative means yes. So 我不是不知道 means 我知道. I know. But why do you want to? Maybe you will ask, like, why do you have to make this sentence so complicated? You just say 我不知道. That's it. Why do you have to say 我不是不知道? Well, it's emphasize. Sometimes in English you also have like a double negative. It's not because I don't know, which means I know, but you say it's not because I don't know. It's not I don't, right? So two negative, two like a double negative words here, and it means yes. Okay, except 不是不. We also have 不得不, 不能不, 不会不. Well, when you see 不 something 不, which means the middle character. 不是不 means 是. 不得不 means they means have to, right? 不能不 means 能 means can. 不会不 means will. Okay, so when you see like the double negative words in one sentence, basically means emphasize. Okay, so 不是不 means yes. 我不是不知道 it's not because I don't know. Okay, and 不能不 means have to. 不能不means cannot. 不 and but. Cannot but 不会不 will not. 不会 is will not. 不会不 is will not but. So it's yes. Okay, so remember, it's very important. Double negative words. 不 something 不. Okay, number 4. Sometimes you will also see a negative word in rhetorical questions. For example, 难道你不会说中文吗？难道 could it be said that? 难道不难道你不会 means can't you? You can basically translate 难道你不会 means can't you？ 难道你不会说中文吗？说中文 speak Chinese。Can't you speak Chinese？ 难道你不会说中文吗？ So 难道不吗？ It's a rhetorical question mark. So when you see 难道 with the 难道不吗？ Remember, it's a rhetorical question, and it's because there's a 不 inside, so it's a negation. So negation can also be a rhetorical question. So similar, okay. So can't you speak Chinese? Which means you can speak Chinese. So it's now can't you speak? Can't you do it? Means you can do it. You can speak. Okay. So 难道不吗 is a rhetoric question, and because 不 negation here, so 难道不 it can be both. It can be a rhetoric question, and it can also be a negation. Okay. And the next one, 没有不 is similar, like a double negation. 没有不，没有 means not. 不 means not. So 没有一个人不同意 what does it mean? 没有一个人 nobody. 一个人 means one person. So 没有一个人 means nobody. Nobody 不同意 means disagree. So nobody disagrees. Nobody disagrees, which means everyone agrees, right? Similar like English. So remember, there are basically there are 5 negative patterns. So one is 不 plus the verb, present tense, negative. 2, 没 plus the verb, the past tense, negative. Okay. And number 3 is double negative. 不 something 不 okay. And the next one is rhetoric question. It's also it's a negation. And 5 similar, but 不 something 不 is connected, and 没有不 is separate. Okay, be careful. Okay, today we learned 5 negative sentence patterns. So why don't you use them to make some sentences? If you have any other questions, don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.